This little doggy has never shown an interest in any toy except for this monkey. Took me, I got her when she was 7, and I don't really think she had too many toys. Maybe she did, but nothing. No squeakies, no any stuffies except this weird monkey. Yep, that's it. But she likes the monkey. Kira, did you get your monkey? Kira, did you get your monkey? Of course, she just had her bath and her nails done, so she's making my bed wet. Ooh, get your monkey. Get it. She is so funny. This dog has brought a lot of joy to this house. Get it. Ooh, get the monkey. Uh-oh. That's ridiculous. If I could find another monkey exactly like this, I would buy it. Because this is the only thing she likes.
Ruined.
To sew it.
Well, the mouth is coming out of it. Okay.
Who's got her monkey? Ah. Ah. Oh, she took her monkey and took it over there. She was afraid he was going to get her monkey. Chancellor. 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 Uh-oh. Now, don't try to get the monkey. Just play, but don't try to get the monkey, okay? Oh, jeez.
You alright?
Topper. Don't try to get the monkey.
Ooh, no!
Topper. See, Topper, he can only have plastic toys because he tears them up. Okay. Kita. Say monkey. Monkey! Yeah. Woof.